Hello and welcome. Let's make a Quacks potion flask together. So in the game Quacks of Quedlinburg, there are potion flasks that each player gets. And what this flask does is if you are drawing from your draw bag and you get a cherry, the cherry basically overfills your pot. So you don't want that. You don't want your pot to overfill because you'll basically lose all the ingredients in it. What you can do is you can turn your flask over if you have it filled and put whatever you grabbed from your hand back into the bag. And I thought that this would just be a cute component upgrade. So I'm using the colors that are used the most, so yellow and blue, yellow being my color. I mean, blue's my favorite color, but you know, Dave uses blue, so that's fine. I'll settle for yellow. And so that's why I'm making these two colors here. The base for it is simple vegetable glycerin. It doesn't matter what color the oil is because you're going to color it anyways. Unless you don't have colorant, then I guess pick an oil color that you like. But this potion is going to be two different liquids. So we have your vegetable oil and then we have your water. And the reason for that is because the oil will float on top of the water, which will create the like potion effect, and then it'll be able to tell you when the potion's flipped over compared to when it hasn't been used. So just a little surprise, a little magic to add to Quacks of Quiddlem. I'm mixing it with a toothpick, and I don't know what I was thinking or how I came to this decision, but I mixed blue and then yellow. Please mix light to dark. But I got lucky. It didn't make green, so that's good. So this is what it looks like after it's all mixed. The mica gives it that sparkly, more opaque look that you're seeing here. And now I'm just going to fill the rest with water. So I put it in this little, I don't know, squeeze bottle, sauce bottle, this little bottle. And I'm just dripping the water in. You'll start to see the separation occur between the oil and the water. So as you can see there, and then you can see the cute little bubbles at the bottom that form from when the oil is floating on top. The blue one has a very nice little bubble going on there, and the yellow one does too. But when they pop, they make this cute little smoke effect that I hope the camera catches. It looks like it might catch on this blue one. But it's very magical, I would say. Making this potion is magical. Lots of see, there it is, beautiful. So then I took this Q-tip, and on the Q-tip I put rubbing alcohol on it. Rubbing alcohol just helps evaporate any liquid that may be around the opening of the potion flask here. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just hopefully eliminating any water or oil that may be left over. And the reason I'm doing this is because when I put the cork in, I'm going to be pouring resin on top of it. And for the resin to properly adhere to the surrounding or the opening of the bottle, it has to be dry. I don't know if you worked with resin before, but if you work with resin and you try to pour over water over a liquid, it kind of floats and turns out a little funny. It doesn't properly adhere. So that's my reasoning for this. After resining it up, here's what it looks. So as you can see, the oil will always go to the top no matter how you flip it. And it kind of has like a lava lamp effect. If you used probably like a different glass container with a bottleneck in it, it would give more of that lava lamp effect. But otherwise, it does show. It doesn't show on camera, but this blue one is really pretty. The water happened to soak the dye up, and the oil has all the mica in it, so it gives off this really cute look. And thank you so much for watching.